Look at this guy showing up.
Showing up a minute late.
A minute late. Wow.
Later than he said he would.
Wow. So we start off the day with a really beautiful sky.
I just wanna stay in the sun where I find. I know it's hard sometimes.
So we out here.
Hell yeah.
We starting our trip out to the beach. It's gonna be hella good.
Think about the end just way too much, but it's fun to fantasize on my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was. But it's fun to fantasize. Oh, I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my I die for you, that's easy to say. We have a list of people that we would take. A bullet for them, a bullet for you, a bullet for everybody in this room. But they don't seem to see many bullets coming through. See many bullets coming through. Metaphorically, I'm the man, but literally, I don't know what I do. I'd live for you, and that's hard to do. Even harder to say when you know it's not true. Even harder to write.